Low tide and pain often make us feel helpless and confused. At these moments, we need to remember that only a firm belief in our hearts can lead us out of the predicament. Buddhist wisdom tells us that all adversity is like a dream bubble, and it will eventually dissipate into the invisible. We need to learn to treat the pain in life with a calm mind, regard difficulties as an opportunity to grow up, and actively look for inner strength and wisdom. In this long and lonely process, we are not alone. Through practicing mindfulness and meditation, we can connect with the true self in our hearts and find true liberation. No matter how difficult the past is, as long as you firmly believe in the hope of the future, there will always be a bright moment. When we are in a low tide, we often ignore the small luck in life. Life is like 4 seasons, constantly changing. When winter comes, spring is not far away. The key is whether we can maintain a grateful heart and welcome the arrival of new life at any time. In such a process, you should give yourself more patience and love. Learn to reconcile with yourself, look at the pain of the past in a calm state, and gradually let go of the inner burden. By paying attention to every moment of the present, we will be able to regain our inner strength, re-engage into life, and finally realize the happiness and integrity we are pursuing. The Buddhist classics once said, "If the heart is born, all kinds of laws will be born, and if the heart is destroyed, all kinds of laws will be destroyed." This simple wisdom tells us that when the state of mind changes, the world also changes. How can I find a way out in the dark, immersed in pain? The answer is to let go of persistence and turn to inner freedom. When we face the difficulties of life, it is important to learn to accept reality, admit the existence of pain, and then surpass it. Through a positive mentality, we can see the benefits of bad things and learn to draw positive energy from them. When you learn to see the world with an open mind, the world will also respond to you in a new way. Good will be rewarded with good, and evil will be rewarded with evil. Good deeds and virtues are not only a kind of care for others, but also a kind of cleansing of one's own heart. When we sprinkle love and care to the world, these forces will come back to us at some point. In your daily life, try to do some small good deeds, such as smiling, helping others, and sharing happy times. These seemingly insignificant actions will subtly change your heart and make you gradually happier and more satisfied. When you learn to change the world with your heart, embracing new hope is no longer far away.